Welcome back to the checkout guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how you can add product images in your Shopify account. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss the upcoming helpful tutorials in the future. So for this, you need to go to the product section. You can select the product for which you want to add a new image. I'm selecting this product. Click on this plus button. Now we will add media. So here you can see another picture has been added. So you can see both pictures are selected now. Then click on done. So here the picture has been added. Now save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. By the way, if you are liking this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Go to catalog. We will select that particular product. So here we can see the two pictures are there. If any customer will open this particular product, then customer can see the two pictures here. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to add a product image in your Shopify account. If you are liking this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.